Now let us go for fifth example. In a triangle ABC, E be the midpoint of AC and F be the midpoint of AB. So E be the midpoint of AC and F be the midpoint of AB. E, F. Medians BECF intersect at G. So BE and CF or FC you can say meet at G. Okay. YZ with the midpoints of BE and CF. So this is BE, this is midpoint of BE, and this is midpoint of CF. This is Y and this is Z. Okay. If the area of the triangle ABC is 480, area of triangle ABC means this triangle ABC is 480, and we have to find the area of this triangle GYZ, this small triangle. Okay, understood the example? Now let us go for the solution. Now we will consider area of triangle GYZ as A. Okay. Now see, this CF is a median, G is the centroid. If we consider this FG as X, then this GC total will be 2X. Understood? So in total CF will be 3X, and this Z is the midpoint of CF. So what we can say, FZ equals to ZC equals to 3X by 2. Now we will think about this FZ. This is X. This total FZ is 3X by 2. So this small GZ will be 3X by 2 minus X, that is X by 2. Okay. Now see here, this GZ is X by 2 and this ZC is 2X. It means ZC is 4 times GZ. Okay. Now we will study these two triangles GYZ and GBC. Which two triangles? GYZ and GBC. See now, GZ and ZC. Okay. So GZ by ZC, and just we have seen their ratio is 1 by 4. Again, if you consider by this side, then also we will get this GY to YB will also be 1 by 4. And angle G is common to both. Okay, angle G is common. Hence, these two triangles are similar. Now we know the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, area of triangle GYZ to area of triangle GBC is equal to the square of ratio of any corresponding pair of sides of similar triangles. Okay. Now just we have seen their ratio is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 square, that is 1 by 16. Now GYZ we have considered as A. Area of GBC is 1 by 16. Hence we can say area of GBC is 16A. Now one more thing we will discuss here, that any median of the triangle divides that triangle into two equal parts. Means this is ABC and this FC is median. It means the area of AFC and area of BFC are equal. Okay. In this way, if we draw all three medians, suppose here also I draw a median. In this way, if we draw all three medians, these original triangles divides into equal 6 parts. Okay, means area of this triangle, area of this triangle, area of this triangle. So area of all these small triangles are 1 by 6th of area of original triangle. And this GBC has 2 parts in this way. Okay, so what we can say, area of GBC is 1/3 of area of ABC. So, and here we have found area of GBC is 16A equals to 1/3 of ABC, and ABC is given 480. That is 16A equals to 160, and hence A equals to 10. And what is A? A we have considered area of this small triangle GYZ, and which is our question. Okay, understood?